There's a house on your street right now. Ordinary house, ordinary car in the driveway, ordinary person inside. But that person woke up this morning with money already waiting. Not because they worked harder, not because they got lucky, because they own something boring that nobody talks about. I spent 7 years studying how regular people build income that doesn't depend on them. And the ones who figured it out earliest all shared one thing. They stopped looking exciting and started looking invisible. This list is about 15 businesses hiding in plain sight, the kind nobody brags about at dinner, the kind that quietly pay every single month. If you only remember one thing from this video, make it the last one. It changes how you see every single entry above it. Let's go. Number 15. Coin-operated laundry. You've seen them. Corner of every neighborhood. Flickering sign. Plastic chairs. You've never once thought about who owns them. That owner woke up this morning with revenue already collected. No employees called in sick. No client sent an angry email. Machines ran. People paid. The laundromat industry in the United States generates $6.8 billion annually. Average net margins reach 35%. 95% of laundromats still operating after 5 years. Compare that to restaurants. Compare that to anything trendy. Nothing comes close. The secret isn't the machines. It's that people will always need clean clothes. That need doesn't take weekends off. Number 14. Parking on private land. You drive past empty lots every day. Corner parcels. Church lots empty 6 days a week. Office parking unused after 5. Those empty spaces generate nothing until someone decides to charge for them. A well-placed lot in a busy district earns between $10,000 and $30,000 monthly. 5 small lots managed properly produces $600,000 a year. No product, no inventory, no staff, just asphalt and the right location. The business doesn't compete on service or innovation, it competes on geography. And geography, unlike an idea, can't be copied overnight. Number 13. Vending machines in the right spots. Not the old machines in forgotten hallways. Modern machines. Card readers. Phone payments. Remote monitoring from your phone. One well-placed machine earns between $300 and $1,000 monthly in pure profit. An operator with 30 machines in the right locations earns that 30 times over. You're not selling chips. You're selling permission to occupy a profitable corner of someone else's space. That corner was worth 0 before you put the machine there. The real asset isn't the machine. It's the location agreement sitting underneath it. Number 12. Self-storage units. There are more storage facilities in the United States than McDonald's and Starbucks locations combined. That statistic should stop you. The average customer pays $128 a month, stays for 14 months. Many forget what they stored but keep paying anyway. The market is valued at $45 billion. Net margins average 41%. The fastest growing customer isn't a family between moves. It's a small e-commerce seller using units as makeshift warehouses. Demand doesn't require a booming economy. It requires people having more stuff than space. That condition is permanent. Number 11. Automated car washes. The car wash industry in the United States surpassed $15 billion in 2025. A single automated unit generates between $150,000 and $200,000 in annual profit. Once it's set up, it runs itself. People want clean cars. They don't want to wash them. That tension is your business. The model that changed everything is the membership, $20 to $40 a month. Unlimited washes. The owner gets predictable revenue every month, regardless of weather, regardless of season, regardless of anything. One entrepreneur scaled a single car wash to $6 million in annual revenue. No disruption, no innovation, pure consistent execution. Number 10. ATM networks. Anyone can buy machines, place them in cash-heavy businesses, and earn a fee every time someone withdraws money. Each machine in the right location earns between $1,000 and $3,000 monthly in net profit. You don't sell anything. You don't serve anyone. You keep the machine stocked and collect the fee. You keep the machine stocked with cash and charge for being present. Here's the detail almost nobody considers. If you already have a vending machine in a location, that same business owner will probably accept an ATM too. Every location becomes 2 income streams instead of 1 without doubling the time you spend. Number 9. Pest control contracts. Nobody wants to think about cockroaches. Cockroaches don't care. The global pest control market was valued at $22 billion in 2023 and is growing toward $34 billion by 2030. What makes this business unusual is the direction of urgency. When a restaurant has a pest problem, they don't compare prices. They call immediately and pay what's asked. The client comes to you, not the other way around. Monthly maintenance contracts renew automatically. No restaurant risks a health inspection over a pest problem. That fear is your recurring income. Number 8. Pool cleaning routes. Over 10 million residential pools exist in the United States. Most owners don't want to clean them. A pool technician with 40 clients earns between $80,000 and $120,000 annually working half days. It's a route-based business. Same stops, same schedule, same payment, every week. Customers pay year-round because pools need maintenance, even when nobody's swimming. The model is almost identical to a mail carrier's route, except you own it, and it compounds. Number 7. Residential cleaning contracts. A solo operator with 5 recurring clients earns between $5,000 and $8,000 monthly. Scale to a 4-person crew and that number reaches $40,000. The math isn't in cleaning better than everyone else, it's in the recurrence. One client who pays weekly for a year is worth more than 10 clients who hire you once. Most people who fail at this business don't fail because they clean poorly. They fail because they constantly chase new clients instead of protecting the ones they have. A client who trusts you is the hardest thing in any business to replace. Protect that above everything. Number 6. Bookkeeping for small businesses. Every small business is legally required to keep organized financial records. Most owners hate it. Many are doing it wrong. None of them want to learn how. 10 clients at $1,000 a month is $10,000 in recurring income. No office needed, no employees. Just a laptop and a calendar. The global accounting services market is growing from $682 billion in 2025 toward nearly $1 trillion by 2032. A portion of that lands directly with independent bookkeepers serving businesses nobody else wants to touch. You're not selling a credential, you're selling peace of mind. The peace of mind that someone else is handling the thing they hate doing. Number 5. Pressure washing on annual contracts. You can start this business for under $5,000. A solid machine, a truck, business cards, that's it. But the operators who build real wealth don't charge per job. They sign annual contracts with commercial buildings and homeowners associations. 20 houses at once, quarterly service, automatic renewal. That's the difference between selling ice cream cones one at a time and being the supplier the ice cream shop calls every Monday. One becomes a transaction, the other becomes a business. Number 4. Commercial landscaping contracts. Every time you drive through a suburb, you see trucks with trailers full of mowers. You know why? Because it works. Monthly contracts with 30 to 40 accounts produce predictable income. The barrier to entry is a mower, a blower, and the willingness to show up. Most people in this space make the same mistake. They keep charging like employees instead of thinking like business owners. The difference between $40,000 a year mowing lawns and $200,000 a year is one decision. Stop mowing. Start managing the people who mow. That mental shift from operator to owner is the only thing separating a job from a business. Number 3. Portable restroom rentals. This is the least attractive business on this list. That's exactly why it's number 3. The global portable restroom market was valued at $20 billion and is projected to reach $34 billion by 2030. Every construction site, every outdoor event, every festival, all of them need units. None of them want to own one. A unit costs between $500 and $1,000. It rents for between $75 and $175 per day. An operator with 50 units generates 6-figure revenue without ever touching a glamorous product. The discomfort isn't the obstacle. It's the protection. The uglier the business, the fewer people are willing to compete against you. Number 2. Coin laundry paired with complementary machines. This is number 1 from the list above made more powerful. Beverage vending beside the machines. An ATM in the corner. Snacks. Phone chargers. A single physical location quietly running 4 separate income streams at once. All automatic, all recurring, all in the same square footage. The business turned into something nobody planned for. Several boring businesses operating under the same roof. Each one too small for a competitor to bother attacking directly. Number 1. Owning the recurring contract, not doing the work. Every business on this list can be built 2 ways. You do the work, or you own the contract and pay someone else to do it. The laundromat owner isn't fixing machines. The landscaping operator isn't holding a mower. The pest control company owner isn't spraying anything. They own the agreement. The agreement pays monthly. Someone else fulfills it. This is the principle that separates every person who built real wealth from every person who built a hard job. They stopped selling their time and started selling a system. Morgan Housel wrote something I think about constantly. People underestimate the power of simple things that repeat. Not because they don't understand math, because consistency feels boring compared to the excitement of something new. Every income stream on this list looks like a chore from the outside. That's the point. The ones that look like chores are the ones nobody competes for. And the ones nobody competes for are the ones that quietly pay you every month while you sleep. Daniel spent 4 years looking for the right business to start. He never found one exciting enough. He's still looking. Alex bought a pressure washing route with 12 existing clients 3 years ago. He added a crew 6 months later. Last year he cleared $160,000. He gets emails from the business on Tuesday mornings before he's finished his coffee. The difference between Daniel and Alex was never intelligence, never capital, never luck. Alex stopped waiting for interesting and started building invisible. If this video made you see one of these businesses differently, hit the like button.
True wealth is often invisible. It is built through systems. Like these everyday businesses, they create automated recurring income. This is how you build a lasting legacy. Start your journey today.